Welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing my viewers on how to use Airtel to buy airtime on your Lycamobile. You're going to be using Airtel to buy airtime on your Lycamobile. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like. Alright, let us head over to the dial pad or the phone, and then you're going to be typing in *252#. Then you call on Airtel. Wait for a few seconds, then you see such a kind of message, and then choose option 6. Choose option 1, buy airtime. Choose option 3, Lycamobile. Enter your Lycamobile number, and then send. Then after, choose option 1, top up. Then enter the amount, and then confirm. You're going to be confirming the names, and then proceed. And then you're going to put in your Airtel money pin. You're going to wait for a few seconds so that you'll be receiving such a kind of message. Then confirm with your pin, and after confirming, you would have bought airtime on your Lycamobile using Airtel without going to the mobile money. Thank you guys for following. I remain Most Tech. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to a friend. And more clips are going to be dropped on this channel. I sign out.